The University of Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky University argue they've been prepared for the Supreme Court's ruling. NKU says it doesn't consider race as a factor in its admissions decision, so the case doesn't impact its process. Though the Council for Post-Secondary Education scored the university high for diversity, equity, and inclusion. UC says it's taking a holistic approach that heavily weighs students' essays.
Trying to overcome discrimination, trying to overcome somebody's socioeconomic status. Those pieces really do come out in those essays, and it really allows us to make sure that we're really setting the next generation ahead.
Miner says those experiences translate into diversity while staying race neutral.
Is it fair to say that UC is colorblind to this?
I think colorblind is always tough because, again, colorblind really has a lot of weight in it of assuming that everybody's initial opportunities are different.
People who are from a legacy family or are recruited for athletic abilities are still allowed. Civil rights lawyer Mark Mezabov says that's not fair either.
Underlying the premise of granting affirmative action was that this is a chance to make up for years and years of discrimination and disadvantage.
In states like California that already ban race-conscious admissions, Professor Jerry Kong suggests some universities might look to the top 10% program.
So the top 10% of a student body in a school in one neighborhood might look very different from another neighborhood. And that too would be entirely lawful.
Kong and I also spoke about if the Supreme Court's ruling could have greater implications beyond higher education, like for businesses. He said it is possible if the business receives federal funding. And there are anti-discriminatory laws out there already, but a similar ruling could make it harder for workplaces to promote diversity. Live in Clifton, Paige Barnes, Local 12 News.
All right, thank you, Paige. 9 states already ban race-based admission policies.